So this is my vocal sample that I'm gonna use.
Wait, and sit down.
And the basic record movement for this is a baby drop on each syllable. So we're gonna use the first two syllables
Wait,
and then baby drop again. And on the way back, we're gonna be doing a kind of like a tear motion on the record. You don't have to, but it does help accent, kind of just like with the pronunciation. And so baby drop, and again on the second syllable, and now you're doing tears like. So you're just adding the chirp to these record motions, and you're gonna get something a little bit sharper. And so when I'm doing the tear motion on the way back, I'm kind of doing like two transformers. So on every syllable, I'm opening the fader like. So starting from the top. And if you wanted, you can keep going down the sample too if you want. If you just wanted to go like. And you're not even restricted to just doing a single chirp on each syllable. You can do like 2 or 3 chirps on each one. So if you want to do it over a beat, here we go.